with welcome to my channel Garage Auto Fix. No changes are required. Now let's move on to a dead battery. This scenario requires jumper cables and another running car. Connect one end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the dead battery, and the other end to the positive terminal of the good battery. Connect one end of the black cable to the negative terminal of the good battery, and the other end to an unpainted metal surface on the car with the dead battery. Start the running car, then try starting the car with the dead battery. Once it's running, disconnect the cables in reverse order. Lastly, dealing with a leaky radiator involves identifying the source of the leak, which could be a cracked hose or a hole in the radiator itself. Once you've found the source, clean the area and apply a radiator leak repair product. Let it dry, then refill the radiator with coolant. To wrap things up, remember these key points. For a flat tire, gather your tools, loosen the lug nuts, lift the car, replace the tire, and tighten the lug nuts. For a dead battery, connect the jumper cables correctly. Start the running car, then start the dead car, and disconnect the cables in reverse order. For a leaky radiator, find the source of the leak, clean the area, apply repair product, let it dry, and refill the radiator. Car repair might seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge and a little patience, you can tackle these common problems with ease. Keep calm, carry the right tools, and you'll be back on the road in no time. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to car repair.